Welcome to ScholarLogic Institute, your gateway to a bright IT career. Looking for your dream job in IT? We've got exciting opportunities for you. These are the job openings for this week and company, Cognizant job role, Associate Cloud Engineer qualifications, minimum 60% in X, 12, Diploma, UG and PG, 59.9% rounding not allowed. Experience 0 to 2 years skills, Cloud, AWS, Python, HTML, CSS, JavaScript, SQL. Bond, no mention of a service bond. Location, Chennai, Bangalore, Hyderabad, Kolkata, Pune, Coimbatore. If you need more information, please check the link in the description. Company, Kantar job role, Analyst, Market Mix Modeling. Qualifications, B.EB.Tech, IT field mandatory. Experience, 1 to 2 years of experience in market mix modeling, skills, strong mathematical aptitude, logical problem-solving skills, ability to document findings and processes bond, no mention of a service bond. Location, Bangalore, Prestige Technology Park. If you need more information, please check the link in the description. Company, Akamai job role, software engineer qualifications, B.EB.Tech, IT field mandatory. Experience, freshers skills, Linux, Python. Bond, no mention of a service bond. Location, remote, India. If you need more information, please check the link in the description. Company, Zeta job role, CTO office, engineering qualifications, B.EB.Tech, IT field mandatory. Experience, freshers skills, Java, C++, Python. Bond, no mention of a service bond. Location, Bengaluru. If you need more information, please check the link in the description. Company, Amazon job role, data analyst, field operator and re-commerce qualifications, B.EB.Tech, IT field mandatory. Experience, freshers skills, Excel, SQL. Bond, no mention of a service bond. Location, Hyderabad. If you need more information, please check the link in the description. Company, Akaiti Technologies job role, data scientist qualifications, B.EB.Tech, IT field mandatory. Experience, 1 to 3 years skills, data analysis, Python, MySQL, AWS. Bond, no mention of a service bond. Location, Bengaluru. If you need more information, please check the link in the description. Our last month placements.
At ScholarLogic, we don't just train minds, we shape careers. Join us to turn your aspirations into achievements. Enroll now.
Please like and subscribe for weekly updates on job openings.